So I'm trying to figure out, before I start this how-to, I'm trying to figure out why the videos are glitching, because they're not like that when I edit them. They're not like that when I take the footage. So I don't think it's my camera, even though at first I thought that because I dropped it in a creek trying to get a picture, and thankfully it's fine because I don't have a couple hundred to spend on a new phone. Most people don't, but this one I lost at the beach and had to put on credit to get this new one. Anyway, I totally just lost my train of thought. Why do I do this? I'm gonna try a new video editing app and see if it does the same thing, and we'll go from there. Hopefully it doesn't. Alright, first step in cleaning your Canon washable engine air filter is getting one of these kits. Comes with the cleaner and the oil and instructions, which is sold at pretty much any parts store. This one is specifically for the cabin air filter, which I will do in the video after this. Alright, second step. K&N recommends you do this every 50,000 miles, but I'm just gonna follow the repair service manual and do it every 15,000 miles or every 12 months. It's been about 20,000. So locate your air filter housing box, take it off, take the air filter out, inspect it. Step 3, apply cleaner on both sides and allow to soak for 10 minutes to loosen the dirt. Do not allow cleaner to dry on air filter. Liberally means allow. Step 4, rinse filter with cool, low pressure water from the inside out in order to flush the dirt out of the filter. Step 5, wait for it to dry. It started raining, so the idea was the engine was a little bit still warm, so oh, I hope those aren't rats or mice, I swear to God. Inside we go. It's been about an hour and it seems good enough. Step 6 is to apply this evenly along the crown of each filter pleat, holding it about 3 inches away. Kind of get the dead spots in the corner. preferably don't do this in the dark when it's wet. Clean up the oil on the edges a little bit. I won't be driving the car or anything, so I think we'll be fine. Just letting it wick inside of the where it's supposed to be. Good enough. And we're done. The cabin air filter, when I do that for the next video, it's located right here for my 2011 Ford Mustang, and I'll show you guys how to remove the grommet and everything like that too. Alright. See you next time. Bye.